Hello everyone, this is StringGearCon4 and welcome back to Project Spark. This is a requested video for a bounty hunting quest. So, if you're unfamiliar with RPGs, that's basically just you take a quest and you have to go kill a guy, and once you've killed him, you go back and talk to an NPC and you turn in the quest and they give you your reward. So let's take a look at this. So here's our character. We can walk up to the sign and it says Wanted, Frederick the Terrible, reward 10 gold. So we can accept the quest, and that spawns Frederick the Terrible. So we can walk up to him, it displays his name, then we can just kill him. Hopefully, if you ever implemented this in your game, you would use better combat, but then we can talk to this guy who is now waving at us, and he will give us 10 gold. You could do other items, like he gives you a nicer sword than you have, or something like that. But that's pretty simple to implement, I might even show that. So let's take a look at some of the code. So let's go into the actual player. So it's the same as the third-person adventure with 2 extra lines of code, which are nested underneath the ones. So it just says the global player equal to me, which is this character. And it says his quest equal to empty because nothing would not work when I tried it. It gave a flag, and I just decided to use that to solve that problem. Let's look at the sign. So when the global player, which we assigned to that character just before, when he's closer than 5 meters, it will display the wanted new line, the bad guy's name, new line, the reward, all in extra large font in the fantasy message box, which you can get into the from the text box gallery. And when his quest is also equal to empty, so the it refers to the global player. So you remember how we first set it to empty? That's what that is. So that keeps you from having more quests than one. You could do like quest 1, like main quest, and then like side quest 1, side quest 2, or things like that. Or you could just add it all in like logic cubes, set it in like an object set variable, but we're not doing that. This is much simpler. You just can have one quest at a time. So when you interact with the sign, the quest is equal to the bounty quest, so you cannot take any more quests until you have completed this one. It will play a sound, it will create the bandit at the position of this logic cube over here, which has no code, it's just as a marker. And let's look at the bandit. So it's just the standard enemy brain with a couple extra lines of code. So it says when global player is closer than 15 meters, it will display his name red with large font. And as soon as he is dead, the global player's quest completed equals true. So that will let him complete the quest and then turn it in for the reward. So let's look at the NPC that handles that. Scroll up to the top. Alright, so once his team is set to Team 1, so you can't hurt him. And when the global player's quest is equal to this bounty quest that we're doing, so you could have multiple quests that would work. And when the global player has completed his quest, he will play that emote, he will turn towards the player, and when he is interacted with, his rewarding boolean will be set equal to true. And the player's quest will be empty, and his quest completed will be set to false, since he does not have a quest. And when the rewarding variable is set to true for duration 10 in frames, which will create 10 coins at the position of the global player. And the coins come with a preloaded brain that handles the UI and the incrementation of the number of coins. And after 3 seconds, his rewarding variable will be set to false. So let's go through it one more time now that we have seen the code. So we can walk up to this sign, and since we do not have a quest currently, we can take one. But now that we have one, it will not allow us to take one. We can't talk to this guy yet because we have not completed our quest. Once we come over here to this guy, his name will display. We can kill him. Now this guy detects that we have completed our quest. We still can't take the sign again, but we can talk to this guy. He gives us 10 coins. And we can interact with the sign again now that we don't have a quest. So there we go. Then we can do it all over again. So, leave a like if you like this quest and the tutorial. Subscribe if you want to see more, and leave a comment for any tutorials that you would like to see me do on this channel. But until next time, goodbye.